This repair video pertains to this Craftsman glue gun. Let's repair it. After you've taken it apart, we're going to drill out the plastic pin and replace it with a wood-type screw. Here's a demonstration on how I mounted the spring to the screw. After you drilled out the plastic pin, you should find a screw to fit it, and then you'll fit the screw to the end of the spring. This gives tension to the trigger. In other words, no more broken trigger. Now you put it back together by placing the pivot arm in the hole. And make sure everything slides properly. At the end of the arm, it fits in the middle of the trigger. This is how the heating element side looks after you've tucked the wires into the appropriate little slots, so both sections can come together tightly. Also, to help you out, you want to wrap a rubber band around the heating element so it doesn't fall out on you as you put two pieces back together. Reattach the stand, spread it, and slide it into the slots and then into the holes. And there you have it. That completes the repair of this model of Craftsman glue gun. This one's nearly 20 years old. Works like new again. If you have any questions, please comment. And also, please subscribe if you would. Thank you for watching. Please stop back again where I do many different projects. Until next time, goodbye.